Welcome to Suffolk Mac User Group. Our message board forms the backbone of our group and is used by members on a daily basis when they run into trouble, either with Apple hardware or with applications on their computer or their laptop or their iPad or iPhone. It doesn't matter how simple or how complex your question is. We hope that there'll be a member who can help you, and people usually receive answers very swiftly from the message board. We have a number of very keen, experienced members who keep an eye on the message board on a day-to-day basis. So you'll shortly receive an invitation to join the board, and the email will look something like this. All you need to do is click on the accept the invitation button, which I've circled in red on this screenshot, and that will take you to the groups.io website, where you'll be asked to choose some method of delivery. So most people choose individual messages because that means that when somebody posts a message or somebody answers a question, that mail will drop into your mailbox absolutely straight away without any delays. A smaller number of our members choose digest delivery, which means that packages of questions and answers arrive in their inboxes once a day. We strongly advise you not to choose no email. If you choose no email, unfortunately, it means that even if you were to ask a question of the board, you'd never get an answer. So please avoid clicking on no email. After that, all you have to do is click on plus join this group at the bottom of the screen there, and it'll take you to this screen, just confirming that you're now a member of the message board. And if you choose, you don't need to do anything else at all apart from make a note of that very important email address in the middle of the screen. That's suffolkmacug@groups.io. It isn't case sensitive, so it doesn't matter whether you use upper or lower case, but that's suffolkmacug@groups.io. So in the future, if you ever hit a problem and you'd like some help, all you have to do is address an email to that address, tell us what the problem is, and hopefully somebody will get back to you very swiftly after your message appears on our message board. If you choose that option, which is absolutely fine, you're missing out on some of the many other facilities that groups.io provides for us, and I'd like to just take you on a quick tour of the website. Now, in order to visit the website regularly, you will need to create an account by simply adding your email and a password. And let's just have a look at how that works. First of all, you need to go to the website of groups.io, so that's www.groups.io, and that will take you to this splendid page covered in elephants. And in the top right hand corner, you can see the login button at which you need to click on. That will take you to this page where there are two buttons you need to click. First of all, accept cookies by clicking on the I agree button in the bottom right corner, and then click on email me a link to log in the center left of the screen. That'll take you to this window where you can just add your email address and click on email me a link to log in. And once you click that, you'll receive an email that will look something like this. Now we need to go back into the groups.io account by clicking on the link. And that will take you to this page where it'll ask you to fill in your email address and create a password. Once you've done that, you just click on set password and you're good to go and can use the site whenever you wish. So let's have a little look at three important tabs on the site. First of all, the messages tab is where you'll find all of the messages as they are sent by our members. You'll see that at the moment there's only one there because we hadn't opened the groups.io site to our members at this point, but I assure you that when you do visit it, you'll find it's very full. Next down is the hashtags tab, and this is the archive for the group, which I'll explain a little more about in just a moment. And next down is the new topic tab, And this, of course, is where you can ask questions. So let's just have a look at how this works. First of all, you need to pop something into the subject. And here our member Andrew Johns has said he has a problem formatting document in Affinity Photo for iPad. Next, in the main window, he can fill in a bit more information. So he explains that he's having problems setting the document resolution when he creates a document. And can somebody tell him how to do this? Before leaving the page, before sending the mail, he needs to add a hashtag. And there's a drop-down menu situated here. And when we click on that drop-down menu, we can see that there's a wide choice of subjects, and you'll see that he's selected hashtag iOS topics relating to devices that use iOS operating system. Now, by adding a hashtag to the subject line, Groups.io will recognize that hashtag, and it will store any mail that includes that particular hashtag in the relative hashtag area of the website. And here you can see the iOS tab, which I've circled. And when you click on that tab, here is Andrew's question. And of course, this is also where any answers and where any subsequent questions and answers about iPads and iPhones will be found. And that's it. So it's a very, very easy system to begin using, and we hope that we'll see you on the message board soon. Many thanks for watching.